So Rev Nation, the rear side of these off-road beasts. We have the Defender. Look at it, all rugged. I mean, look at the top. Even the top has a racing on it. Imagine. And a gas. And this is a G-63 bi-turbo and another G-63 V8 bi-turbo. Guys, this is real. These are nice cars. We're going to be reviewing good stuff for you. And the GR L300. Look at these rims.
Have you seen the GR?
Look at this. GR. Nice. Oh, Mercedes. Interesting. Or Mercedes in that corner. Oh, Defender. Nice. With complete tuned up interior. And the pole, can you see that? Oh, nice, the Defender. Look at that. That guard looks like it will eat into you. Look at all these tires. Guys, this is the best view. So this, if you really want to go off-road, I think I'd use that first. If you don't want to damage it. Then use this. This will stay more in the compound, that car. So Rev Nation, I want to thank him for taking us around.
Yeah.
God bless you. We're hoping we can get that. I mean, that's what we might afford. But we shall use other cars.